This song is very motivational and patriotic in its lyrics and melody. It encourages listeners to forget the past and focus on the future, emphasizing unity and progress. In the movie, the song powerfully reflects the spirit of progress and national pride during India's post-independence era. It inspires the characters and the audience, making them feel inspired and proud. The song's popularity is a testament to its uplifting message and catchy tune. It is often played during patriotic events, making the audience feel part of a more significant cultural phenomenon. It is remembered as one of the iconic songs of its era. Practice the C major scale before trying to play the melody. You become comfortable with the notes used in the melody. Practicing the C major scale will help you recognize and play these notes confidently. Sari gari sa pa, sari gari sa pa da, mama da 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 mama da, sa sa ni da pa pa, ga ma pa da da, sa ni da re ga ma pa ni da pa. Pa pa sa da pa ma pa da re ga ma pa. Sari ri ma ga ri sa ga, dha ni sa ni da sa ni da pa pa. Sari ri ma ga ri sa ga, dha ni sa ni da sa ni da pa pa. Ga pa ga ri sa ni sa ni da pa pa. Ga ma pa da sa ni da re ga ma pa ni da pa. Pa pa sa da pa ma pa da re ga ma pa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. You can try the melody on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Thank you.